Hello everyone, welcome to the Nick Tech Show. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iclever USB 3.0 7-port hub, and let's get started. So the box is kind of basic. There's really just this front picture, and that's about it. So it's got your SKU number up there that if you really care. But let's get started. Let's open the flap, and we are greeted with the unit in one of those nice bags. One of those nice fabric-y bag. Let's take out the cover, and then we got our AC cable, the AC brick. It's kind of neat to see a 7-port hub have that. Your USB cable and some documentation. More documentation. Get to the star of the show. This nice type of bag. I don't know what about these. I don't know why I like these bags so much. I think it's just unique. It's just not plain plastic. Let's see. And voila. This one seems to be like a metal casing around it, unlike my other one that's plastic. As you can see, we got the 7 ports right here, and then on the side we have your input and your 2 input ports and your power button. That's also unique too. This also does charging too. You can charge devices with it. That's why it comes with an AC adapter. You can charge devices with it, any USB device, and it's plug and play. You just plug it in, and it's ready to go. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video.